Okay, so I bought a new tractor. My old one here, 1023E, it's burned great. It's been great. No, I didn't get a new tractor because I rolled the other one. This one still runs perfectly fine. I was getting another one before that happened. Anyway, I was talking to my buddy, talking about how got a new tractor, how much you can lift and everything, right? The new tractor, John Deere 3039R, says it can lift like 1,600 pounds, and this one weighs 1,450, something like that. And he says, well, can that lift the other one? Oh, well, I don't know, I'm kind of curious now. So that's what led to this. So I'm curious if the old tractor can lift the new tractor. So I got the box blade taken off this because it was always on this, now on the other tractor, so there's a bit of weight at the back. So we're going to see if it works or not. I'm not going to drive with it, but it does lift it. That's funny. So there you go. That's pretty funny. So the new tractor lifts the old tractor. That's a 2015 too, so 10 years old, but that's pretty funny. Yeah. He said that's his redneck request, is that I try that out. He had a good idea on that. So if you got any other redneck requests you want to see that I can, that's within my grasp or power to do, and if it sounds intriguing, I'll probably try it. Take care. Bye for now.